President Emerson Mnangagwa has urged Zimbabweans to be cautious of false information spread on social media, saying it is being used to create confusion and unrest. Sanapenda mashoko kudanyorwa panapa achinzi aiwa, this is the blessed Geza effect. Apo ndikwanza mutungamiri wenyika opa warnings kuma Zimbabweans ari kupasa information aiwa yemanyepo pa social media. Nomba subscribe like otonda bell icon. Timna panapa mu newzimbabwe.com mudanyora achiti Mnangagwa's remarks, delivered during a national address at the Independence Day celebrations in Gokwe, come at a time when factional battles are simmering within the ruling party, ZANU-PF. Mnangagwa is facing mounting pressure from a disgruntled clique of war veterans fronted by Blessed Bombshell Geza, calling for his ouster and accusing him of presiding over a corrupt and failing government. Geza, who is in hiding for a number of crimes, including undermining the president, has been using social media to address and mobilize Zimbabweans for an uprising against Mnangagwa. The 82-year-old ZANU-PF leader said these were efforts to destabilize the country. In quotes, all patriotic Zimbabweans are reminded of the need to guard against the dangers of social media, which is increasingly being used as a tool to cause discord and raise false alarms. I commend you, my dear fellow compatriots, both at home and abroad, for remaining vigilant, patriotic and steadfast, never allowing ourselves to be misled by shadowy elements with dubious opportunistic agendas. The president also urged all Zimbabweans to unite in protecting the country's progress from internal and external threats, while praising the security forces for their loyalty and defense of the nation's sovereignty and independence. Ndomashwa mudato kwa mtungamiri wenyika yesterday achiuya panapa achipa warnings kune vese vari kuenda against his rule vakaita sana Bombshell Geza, war veterans vachinzi aiwa musateerera vanhu ivavo, noda kuti mashoko anopasa ndiye manyepo. Mutudze mafungiro enyu mutudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi kuna comment section yedu. Mutudze mafungiro enyu, musaona subscribe or like, chito on the bell icon.